Hey, Dr. Mindy here, and some of you guys might know me from my YouTube channel, or maybe you follow me on Instagram, or you've done some of our fast training weeks with us. I want to talk to you about my next upcoming reset. It's called Forever Immune, and it's a part of a series of resets that I do. And if you love learning from me on all those other platforms, I really want to encourage you to take a step deeper into these principles and actually experience them with me, with my community, so that you can really master a fasting lifestyle. So a lot of people tell me if they had had me as a science teacher, that they would have loved science. And for me, I am on a mission to teach you how to fall in love with your body again. Fasting is an incredible door in to loving this ball of flesh you've been given and really taking your health to a whole new level. So I want to encourage you to spend the next year with me. I have come up with a course curriculum that I think will knock your socks off. We are going to go through everything from immunity to hormones to gut health to metabolism to brain health. We are starting with the Forever Immune. So that one is starting here in March. And I'm going to break down the principles of a fasting lifestyle so that it is incredibly applicable to you. In my book, there's no such thing as a failed fast. Well, there's no such thing as a failed reset. And in the next reset, Forever Immune, I'm going to show you how to really succeed with these principles. So if you're looking to slow down aging, if you're looking for better metabolism, if you're looking for better immunity, please join me in this next reset. If you join for a year for our full academy, you can come in and get all the resets over the next year at no charge. And I just, again, want to encourage you to step into the miracle that you were designed to be. You have everything inside of you already there to allow you to heal. And in these resets, I'm going to show you how to customize it exactly for you. So I'm excited to see you in the reset. Come join me there.